So many of you know I love the sound of real silver, real wealth, real money, opposed to the sound of slugs, quarters, dimes, nickels, that are worthless, that have no intrinsic value other than what the government says its value is. Let's listen to the sound of this. You hear that? Hollow, empty. Half a tube of Silver Eagles. You hear that? Just the metal vibration. Forget the weight. The metal, the tone, the frequency, the sound frequencies, just not even the same. Just worthless. You can save that all you like, folks. Value of that goes down. Just listen to the sound. Hear the sound of that? You could actually hear the sound of the silver as this quarter, this slug, this worthless piece of metal hits that. You hear that? So the folks who might come say, oh, it's because this is heavier. No. It's a quarter hitting those Silver Eagles. Anyway, folks, I recommend starting to stack silver. This is a Mexican Libertard. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is just a buffalo, standard buffalo round. Canadian maple leaf right next to it with the queen on it. And my favorite, the Silver Eagle. Junk silver. Pre-64 dimes. 1964 dimes. Anyway, folks, have a great day. Give me a thumbs up.